So now you've published your Tableau workbook, let's go ahead and embed it into your Google site. So to do that, let's just scroll down a little bit. So we're in Tableau Public till we get that share icon. And this here is a shareable link. So you could send that to somebody in an email or whatever you wish, and they would be able to navigate to Tableau Public and see your work. But let's go ahead now and work with this embed code. So this will allow us to actually embed the whole interactive dashboard into your Google site. So I'm just highlighting the whole thing and pressing Control-C to copy. So now I'm going to go to my classroom Google site. I just have a little test site I'm using tonight. So you probably already have your Google site put together in a way that you like. So we're just going to do something so I can demonstrate, and then you can undo it on your site if you don't want that to be showing. So I am going to create a new page on my site. So I'm just going to go up here in the upper right to Pages. And I'm going to go down to the bottom and say New Page. And I'm going to just call it Week 12 Tableau Practice. And so now I've created this new page on my site. You can always delete it later, like I said. If you do want to delete it later from your site, you can just go look at pages in your list of pages and select the three dots on the right side, and you can delete it, or you can hide it from navigation, or anything you want. But for now, I want to embed our Google site or our Tableau dashboard in this site. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to select Embed. And I want to embed from Tableau. And remember, we copied that embed code. So you don't want to be on by URL. You want to be on embed code. And then just paste that code in and say Next. And say Insert. And everything's kind of hushed over here in this left hand corner, but we can spread that out. You just grab go to one of the circles on the edge until you get a double-headed arrow and just spread it out and pull it down as far as you can go. And now I'm going to just click off that, and I'm going to say Publish. And I'm going to say Publish again. Here's the draft. Here's the currently published site. And maybe now I want to view the published site. So now you can see all of our great work is showing right up. And it is interactive right within your Google site, which is pretty cool, I think. You won't be required for your in-class exercise to work through these steps. I just wanted to show you how easy it is.